Welcome back to a new video. Today in this video, we will review the new truck in Vehicle Legends. Let's customize first. Okay, done. Let's do an off-road race. Let's see what time we get. "73.5 seconds isn't bad, but let's see what we get on the other truck. Let's try to beat 73.5 seconds. I tried to beat it, but I crashed a few times. Let's see the top speed on each truck. "353, not bad. Let's see this trucks. "335, okay. These are the other cars that are new. Lamborghini Urus. I don't know what this is, but I think it's a Ferrari. Goodbye guys, see you next time.